Hello, my friend. My friends. Sagway family. You know what? Today I received an email from Planet Fitness wishing me happy birthday. I deserve a gift. And I read kind of like a bottle, and I was so happy to come to the gym to retrieve my bottle. And guess what? A bottle of water. I had never seen the of water. I was so disappointed because it was just a bottle of water. Okay, anyway, I appreciate it and I take it and I'm enjoying the water. Okay. But the funny part is I didn't see the of water. I thought it was just a bottle. Anyway, my friends, we are still celebrating, okay?